In this problem, we have to find the number of arrangements of the letters in the word Solapur so that the consonant and the vowels are placed alternately. So there are total number of 7 words, out of which 3 words are vowel and 4 words are consonants. So if I am writing 4 options for the consonant, I will write it like this. And then in between that we are having only 3 options. With the help of permutation, that is given as 4 factorial. And for the remaining one, we can write it as equal to 3 factorial. And that is equal to 4 multiplied with 3 multiplied with 2 and then 3 multiplied with 2. So you will get the value as 4 3s are 12, 2 2s are 4, 4 3s are 12. So we'll write 12 into 12, which is equal to 144. And that's the answer that you will get. You can't place this one like this. So if I am saying that all the vowels should not be together or all the consonants should not be together, you can place it at this places, okay? But we are not considering that situation. We are just arranging letters that is given as OAU. So we will arrange it in between that, okay? Either I can take these 3 positions, or I can take these 3 positions, or I can take these 3 positions. That's why you are getting the answer as 4 factorial multiplied with 3 factorial.